Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahadev English School online education. Right now we all are in a class of Standard 1 and the lecture of maths is going to be started. We are going to start our day with a positive thought. Today's thought is, a child without education is like a bird without wings. This is a Tibetan proverb. What does it say, my dear? That if a child is not getting proper education, it is like a bird without wings. Have you ever seen any bird without wings? What happens if a bird is not having the wings? It cannot be fly. So, same like that, if a child is not getting proper education, then it can move to the society properly. So, start your journey to become educated. Here we are going to start the same. Before we start, everyone, sit straight everyone. Make your back straight. Now tell me, my dear, how are you all? How do you feel? Happy? Relaxed? Wants to learn? Very good. Then take your book, pencil, every essential stationery with you and get ready for your writing work. First of all, write the date and day in this corner. I am repeating this again and again in each and every lecture, my dear students, that if you are in any of the class, either you are in first standard, second standard, third standard, whenever you are going to start your day, first of all, write the day and day in this corner. After finishing this work, move towards heading. Write down the heading, chapter number 7, Subtracting Greater Numbers. SUBTRACTING, subtracting, GREATER, greater, NUMBERS, numbers. My dear students, you all know about that. Our current chapter is chapter number 7. The students who are studying from starting, they might be familiar that this is our current chapter. I hope everyone has completed to writing their heading. Now before we start the lecture, let me inform you about learning objectives for chapter number 7, which are counting back to subtract, addition facts, subtracting one digit from two-digit number, subtraction using number strip, double digit subtraction, problem solving. Now tell me, till where we have completed this chapter? Who knows about that? Who knows about this chapter, that the topics which we have completed till now? Let me inform, we have completed counting back to subtract, addition facts, subtracting one digit from two-digit number, subtraction using number strip, double digit subtraction. The last part, problem solving, is remaining. So now here we are going to know about learning objectives for today. What we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn problem sums and table of 4. So now you all get ready, because now you all have to write with me. Okay? Write the heading, solve the following word problems. The heading is solve the following word problems. SOLVE solve, THE the, FOLLOWING following word problems, WORD word, PROBLEMS problems. Done everyone? Here we are going to start problem solving. Look my dear students, these all problem sums are on the base of party. Either it is birthday party or a family get together. But here we are going to talk about party, and we are going to learn problem solving through the party sums. Okay. Sum number 1. There are 28 pastries. Everyone write down in your notebook. There are 28 pastries. Spelling of pastries: PASTRIES, pastries. There are 28 pastries. 20 were eaten. How many are left? What does it say? That in that party there were 28 pastries and 20 were eaten by the children. So now we have to find out how many pastries are left now. If you are having party at your home, at last you just find out now how many pastries are left for you. So here we have to find out the remaining numbers of pastries. Write down the sum 28 minus 20. 28 minus 20. Is everyone completed the writing part? Now tell me how to solve this. First of all, we have to solve ones column. 8 minus 0. So what we get there? There we get number 8 itself. 2 minus 2, we get 0. So 28 minus 20, there remains 8. Everyone first copy this answer in your notebook properly. Write the answer. 8 pastries are left. 8 pastries are left. PASTRIES, pastries. ARERLEFT, left. You feel happy, na? That 8 pastries are left for you. Very good. Note down the whole sum. There are 28 pastries, 20 were eaten. How many are left? 28 minus 20, we get 8. So we can say that there remains 8 pastries. So is everyone copied the sum? Very good. Sum number 2. There are 55 balloons. Look, this is the picture of balloon. What is the color of this balloon? It is blue color. So write down there are 55 balloons. The spelling of balloons is BALLOONS. and S, balloons. "15 burst. How many are left?" Answer: dash balloons are left. As we all are right now learning problem sums, so you all have to write and read with me, okay? Again I am going to repeat. There are 55 balloons, 15 burst. How many are left? What does it says? It says that in party there were 55 balloons. Have you ever visited the party? You can see that it is decorated with the balloons, the colorful balloons. So in this party there are 55 balloons. 15 burst. Burst means destroy, damaged, remove. So now we have to find out how many balloons are left now. How can we solve this sum? If we want to find out any leftover things, we have to make subtraction. 55 minus 15. Because we have 55 balloons, out of that 15 were burst out. So we have to find out the remaining balloons. First of all, we have to solve ones column. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 we get 0, because if we are going to subtract any number with the same number, at that time we get a 0 as an answer. When 5 minus 1 we get 4. 55 minus 15 we get 40. Now everyone copy this in your book. I am waiting for you. Till here everyone complete this work in your book. Now move towards here. Write down the answer in the given box. 40. As we already have completed the written work first, now copy the answer. I am going to repeat the sum again, so all the students can copy it with me. There are 55 balloons. Spelling of balloons: BALLOONS, balloons. 15 burst. How many are left? By making subtraction of 55 minus 15, we get 40. Answer is 40 balloons are left. I hope everyone has completed. So now tell me, if you are having a birthday party or if you are going to visit the birthday party, you might see that the children are having birthday cap on their head. Look, this is the birthday cap. Tell me, my dear students, have you ever visited the birthday party? Have you enjoyed? Have you worn this birthday cap? Yes, very good. So, in this sum we are going to talk about birthday caps. So, what does it say? Now you have to write down sound number 3. There are 48 caps. Spelling of caps: CAPS. What is the spelling? CAPS. 21 get ton. GET get, TORN torn. 21 get torn. How many are left? Make a question mark. How many are left? Answer dash caps are left. Everyone, you have to copy this, huh? Now look, what does it says? There are 48 caps. In that birthday party, there are present 48 birthday caps. Out of that, 21 get torn. Torn means destroy. How many are left? So first of all, write down 48 minus 21. Everyone, write down 48 minus 21. Make sure that you have to write the numbers on its proper place. First of all, you have to solve the ones column. 8 minus 1. We get 7. When 4 minus 2, we get 2. Everyone copy this in your book. 2, 7, 27. 8 minus 1, 7. 4 minus 2, we get 2. Completed everyone? You all are writing with me, na? Very good. Now write the answer in this box. 27 caps are left. Look, my dear students, what does it says? There remains 27 caps in that party. Now I am going to recite the sum again very slowly, so that all the students can copy it properly. There are 48 caps. 21 get torn. How many are left? By making subtraction of 48 minus 21, we get the answer 2727, which we have to copy in the answer box. 27 caps are left. I am waiting for a while so that all the students can complete in their work. Make sure that you have to write properly, copy the sums properly. My dear students, right now this is the only option to learn and write. So I am speaking very slowly so that all the students can copy this in their notebook with me. I hope everyone has completed. So, which picture is this? This is the picture of a boy. So, write down sum number 4. There are 36 boys. B-O-Y-S, boys, at the party. 24 go home. How many are still at the party? Answer: dash boys are still at the party. Should I repeat again so that everyone can copy? There are 36 boys at the party. 24 go home. How many are still at the party? Make a question mark here. Answer: dash boys are still at the party. What does it say? Look, in the party there comes 36 boys. After some times 24 boys go at their home. Now we have to find out how many boys are still at the party. Let's see how to solve it. 36 minus 24. First of all, everyone write down 36 minus 24. First we are going to solve the ones column. 6 minus 4. We get 2. 3 minus 2 we get 1. Everyone note down this answer in your book. 12. We can say that 12 boys are still at the party. There are 36 boys at the party. 24 go home. How many are still at the party? After solving the sum, we can say that there are 12 boys are still at the party. Write the next sum. In this sum, we are going to talk about the girls, number of girls. So, there are 57 girls, GIRLS girls at the party. 36 had apple juice, APPLE apple, JUICE juice, full stop. The rest had orange juice. How many had orange juice? Answer: dash girls had orange juice. First of all, everyone copy this properly in your book. Then we are going to solve that. Look, what does it say? That there are 57 girls in the party. Out of that, 36 had apple juice. The rest had orange juice. So we have to find out how many girls had orange juice. How can we find out this? 5 7 57 minus 3 6 36. First we are going to solve the ones. 7 minus 6 we get 1. 5 minus 3 we get 2. 2 1 21. 21 girls had orange juice. There are 57 girls at the party. 36 had apple juice. The rest had orange juice. How many had orange juice? After solving the sum, we can say that 21 girls had orange juice. My dear students, this was our first part of problem sums. In next lecture, the topic continues and we will solve the remaining problem sums. Now we are going to learn and write table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Is everyone completed the writing part? Very good. Everyone note down the homework. Write word problems one time in rough book. The word problems which we have learned today, you have to write it in your rough book or homework book one time. Make sure that you have to write it with a very good handwriting. And of course, whenever you are going to solve the sums, write the numbers on its proper place. And yes, my dear students, each and every day you have to make practice to learn the tables. Okay? Till now we have completed tables till 1 to 8. In previous lecture we introduced table of 8. So I hope you all are learning the tables as well as you all are doing practice of all the subjects at your home. So at your home everyone stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.